Hey you guys, today I have a simple DIY and it is super simple. I'll be using this blue paint color and this can of beans, and I'm just going to go ahead and take off the wrapper. So you can use any can you have lying around, anything, but it has to be a can because I think it looks more nicer like this. And this is, you can use your kids to help you out with this project. It is a kids project as well, and I think they would have fun making their own. So yeah, go ahead and grab, make sure your hot glue gun is running. Make sure you have any paint that you like. This is going to be for 4th of July. It's going to be a 4th of July base, and it's going to look awesome when you're done. All I'm doing is peeling off any of the excess paper. And if you can't peel it off, go ahead and grab some soap and some water and just wash it off. So it's optional. It's up to you. Go ahead and grab the can that you like, and we're going to get started. It's going to be super easy and fun to make. You can actually put your makeup brushes in here. You can put so many things in here. It's going to be perfect. And you can also use it as a centerpiece to display your 4th of July items. So there's so many ways you can use this awesome project. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this paint that I picked up at Walmart because I love this dark blue color and it is perfect for the 4th of July. Let me tell you, this paint color is amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a coat and paint it blue. Look at how gorgeous that is. And it just goes on like butter. I'm going to go ahead and give it a couple of layers. I'm not going to lie. I end up giving it 3 layers of the paint just to get the color that I wanted. You can do a light blue, you can do a dark blue, you can do a medium. It's really up to you, whatever color you want to use. But I love this blue. And especially since the 4th of July is coming, I thought it would be really nice to have in my room. I made this DIY with the kids as well. They made their own. I'll go ahead and put the pictures up on Instagram so you can see how theirs came out. They really had fun making their own. And I thought it was a good idea and a small little project that you can make with your kids. Stuck at home, why not go ahead and make a DIY with them? I'm sure by the end of the day, they're going to be so happy that you let them help. And it's just a fun little cute project that you can reuse and recycle this can. So it's a win-win. Not only do you make a cool arts and craft project, but you also get to recycle a can. And look at how cute that is. That blue color is so pretty. And I have a great tip for you. Once you do a layer of paint, go ahead and grab your hair dryer and dry it. It's going to dry super fast, and you can go ahead and make your next layer. Go ahead and dry it and make your next layer. Go ahead and dry it, and it dries really fast, and it helps the paint to stay under as well. And that's how simple it was. I did 3 layers of the blue, and now on to the decorating. So I made a whole bunch of little stars. I thought they would be very cute to add to the can. Since I'm going with the whole 4th of July theme, I thought it would be very cute to add the stars everywhere. Go ahead and make a ton of stars and then just have your kids put them anywhere they want. They can also use a regular glue. So don't let them use the glue gun. Let them use the regular glue and it stays under as well. I already tried it. I'm using the glue gun because it's faster for me. And I'm going to go ahead and place a couple of stars around the whole can. So you can do as many as you want. You can do any color you want and any size. I made them in 3 different sizes. I have the large, the medium, and the small. So I'm going to go ahead and use them all. I'm going to use every size I have for here, and I'm going to use it. Go ahead and grab a little bit of the glue and then just stick it anywhere you like. Go ahead and hold it for a couple of seconds. Make sure it dries and then continue to the next step and the next step. If it falls off, go ahead and take it off. Don't use it and grab another star. You have plenty. Make sure you make like 20 to 30 stars just in case the kids want to add them all. Go ahead and let them add them all. This is a fun little project and I just had to share it with you. I decided, why not? Since I made it, I might as well film it. And this is great. Let me tell you, for all the teenagers out there, to put in your makeup brushes. Add a little bit of rice at the bottom and stack up your makeup brushes on there. It's going to look really cool. So all I'm going to do is grab the stars and just place them everywhere randomly. You can use any color you want and any size you want. So this is a cool idea. If you guys do make one, can go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my link down below. So you can go ahead and tag me. I want to see how you made yours, and I would love to see what you came up with. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions and any comments. Go ahead and just leave them down below. If you have any tips for me, I would love to see them. And look at how easy that is. Look at how cute that is. You can use this for a teacher. You can give this to a teacher and add some markers in there and some pencils. That would be a great gift as well for the first day of school. You can use it for the kids and add their color pencils and their crayons in there. There's so many ideas you can do with this. And I love the colors I used, and I love the fact that it's just so cute. All you have to do is give it your own touch and just decorate it once you have it exactly how you like it. As you see, I'm just doing a couple of dabs of the hot glue because I don't want it to show. And then just paste it on there, and it actually looks very cool. So look at how cool that is. And then just go ahead and finish it off. You can actually leave it like this if you want. You can add more stars. You can do so many things to this kind of little can and this little project. It is so much fun. I had a blast just decorating it and figuring out how I was going to add more color to it, and if I wanted to add some blue, and it came out really cute. I'm going to go ahead and make some more just in different colors just for my kids, pencils and color pencils. I think this is a great idea. Even for your arts and craft room, you can go ahead and put Chanel stems in there. You can put those little wooden picks in there. You can put so many things in there, and it'll keep it organized. You could put gems in there. You can put anything you can think of can go in that can, and they're a pretty big size can. And the good thing is that you always have a can in your house, whether it be corn, beans, anything, it's gonna go perfect. So remember, don't throw away those cans. Let's go ahead and make a DIY and add it to your arts and crafts room. I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple more stars, and I'm adding the little ones. I thought it would be really cute to add a couple of the little ones in there just to move everything around and get it in place. And I'm happy I did. It came out really cute, and that's it. Go ahead and make one and just let me know how it comes out. Now the final step is to add something to inside of the can. Like I said, you can add makeup brushes, you can add so many things in there, but I'm going to be using mine as a decor piece, and I'm going to be putting it in my living room. I thought that would be very cool to just put out there. And I picked up these paper straws at the Dollar Tree, and they're just red, white, and blue straws. So this is perfect for me. Go ahead and add all the straws in there and use it as your centerpiece. I think that would be very cool as well. I hope you guys make one, and I hope you liked it. And let me know if you make it with your kids. That is going to be so much fun. And until next time, bye you guys.